Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from the Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the mailbox, and for example we could find here all of our inboxes. If you want to log out from the mail application, you should open first the settings and then scroll down to the mail app. Here you'll see the account section. Tap on it, and to log out from the Gmail account from your mail app, you should just open it and tap to delete account. Then confirm your action by click to delete my account. And now in account settings we could see that we just stay only with one account. So let's go back to the mail and we could see that we just successfully log out from the mail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.